Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, distinguished chair, respective reviewers, ladies and gentlemen. This is my pleasure to present our community engagement project entitled the Implementation of Islamic Social Financial Reporting Based on Cash Waqf. I'm Yuli Utami. I would like to present our program, which actually we start in a Koperasi Rintisan Syariah Aisyah Pakualaman, Yogyakarta, which we have initiated last year actually, and then in this community development, we would like to see that the program is running well or not. So we used to search, to evaluate that actually there were a lack adequate capacity in Islamic social finance reporting using PSAK 112 implementation in that area, and also in another location that we also initiate the same program in Bantul. So the objective of this program is would like to strengthen the governance, transparency, and also financial sustainability to the grassroots of these two places for Pakualaman and also Trukan, Bantul. And this program has indicate that we would like to use the approach of a cash wakaf, PSAK 112, and also the micro scale grassroots Islamic cooperative, which the key theories we'll use are the Islamic social finance theory, cash wakaf, productive wakaf theory, accountability, and also the governance theory, which use PSAK 112, and the approach of ABCD, asset-based community development theory. And the research actually will collect the data of pre and also post-test after we intervene in the simulation, and also the material introduction to the PSAK 112, and then the analysis show us that we use a pair t-test for each the result, which we could find that the stronger presence of micro and home-based enterprise has shown us 65% of Aisyah member in Pakualaman, and also 76% of the Trukan cooperative members have significant, knowledge improvement from the pre-test to the post-test. So after the post-test, they show us this 88%, this is the statistically significant improvement in the participant knowledge that they have ready, and then know how to use that approach, especially the reporting Islamic social finance for cash wakaf, and also Islamic transaction like musyarakah, mudharabah, murabaha, and also ijara in their institution. So this is the result, show us that the p-value for the per t-test show us this is very significant. Because why? Because the H-null is rejected, and then means that the interpretation for this result show us the stronger awareness of Sharia principle. The participant shows the greater awareness of separating social funds from the commercial funds, and also managing productive wakaf in accordance with the Sharia. So linked to the theory, this is very important, that the demonstration, simulation, and also knowledge about the PSAK 112 reporting and also digital accounting align the multiple theories, emphasize the accountability and also legitimacy of the institutional very significant. So overall, the implication will prove that the integration of productive wakaf simplify the PSAK 112 reporting and also digital accounting. That very significant, effective strategy to improve the governance, advance the financial inclusion, and also create sustainable community empowerment. So this community development give us the contributes very high contribution to the study. Because why? Because they are strengthening the governance, transparency, and also financial stability in a grassroots Islamic cooperative through the cash wakaf. PSAK 112 adaptation very important. Why? Because this program will empower the women and communities and their communities to have a sustainable grassroots Islamic cooperative. So that is why we conclude that this discussion, which implement the productive cash wakaf, simplified PSAK 112 reporting, and also digital accounting and capacity building, significantly improve governance, transparency, and accountability in grassroots Islamic cooperative. And when we also remind them about the Celengan Wakaf model that strengthen the sustainability financial for women-led SMEs and demonstrating the practical of the replicable this community. So we know that there were improvement, for the long-term community welfare. So for the implication, we suggest to have more program about this supporting productive cash wakaf in the future. And this is some of the documentation we have, where the first and second, this is about the introduction to Islamic financing and Celengan Wakaf again, and also introduction to PSAK 112, and then the simulation of the reporting of Islamic social finance reporting, and saving wakaf from the Abdi Masyarakat UMY, University Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. And then the last picture, this is about the closing. And thank you very much for your attention. And then Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.